Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've linked your Instagram to Business Manager and verified assets. Now open Ads Manager and click Create. Choose an objective that matches your goal: awareness for reach, traffic for clicks, conversions for sales, and name the campaign clearly. Once done, set budget type, daily or lifetime, enter amounts, then pick start and end dates so delivery pacing is predictable. Make sure to toggle a /B test or budget optimization only if you intend to compare creatives or automate allocation. Now build your ad set. Define the audience precisely. Use custom audiences from customer lists or website events and create lookalikes for scale. Refine by age, location, and interests for relevance. Next, choose placements. Manual lets you prioritize Instagram feed, stories, and reels, while automatic optimizes across placements. Then, craft your creative. Upload images or videos matching recommended specs. Write concise captions and pick a clear CTA. Once assembled, preview each placement to confirm text overlays and cropping. Before publishing, double-check conversion tracking is installed, Pixel or Conversions API, and that events map correctly. Review bids, optimization goal, and delivery settings, then publish the campaign. Monitor performance closely during the first 24 to 72 hours. Make small adjustments to bids, audience, or creative based on CTR and CPC. If an ad is disapproved or not delivering, check policy feedback. Confirm account permissions and payment method, and relink the Instagram or business account. Clearing cache or re-uploading assets often resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.